These are slushy cups that you can use to make ice cream or slushies, Slurpees, whatever you want to call it, or any frozen treat. These things are amazing. My favorite thing to use for this is to get a soda like Coke or root beer, and then I think Italian sweet cream is my favorite cream to use with that. When you do it with root beer, it tastes just like a root beer float, and with Coke, it's a Coke float. So you just pour in the soda most of the way, then do a little bit of cream, or a lot of cream. Then have that. And after 2 to 3 minutes, it starts to look like this. I gotta tell you, this stuff is so good. I love this. The cup can be taken completely apart when you're ready to put it back together. You just put that in like that. Then you put this part on here, put this on here, and then screw this on to hold everything together. So you can get this super clean. And then when you're ready to use it, you just put this in the freezer. It's hard for me to overstate how much my family likes these things. I ended up having to get 4 in total, 1 for each boy in my family, because when we bust these out, everyone has to make one. It is a lot of fun. Yeah. So nice, super easy to do. Love these things.